In 2010, for the first time, I deeply understood the connection between the body, mind, emotions, and our consciousness. And this was due to this book, Consciousness Heals. This is a book written by Dr. Newton Kondaveti. And today I want to read a small part from this book that will really help you understand it is so simple and so deep, so easy. Dr. Newton says, our body's natural state of being is perfect health. It has an inbuilt ability to return to that state in the quickest possible time. All we need to do is to connect to each part of our body as we would connect with our most intimate friend. We need to understand that the only time our body draws our attention to it is when it is trying to tell us something. When my best friend is across the room, it takes just a glance or almost an imperceptible smile to exchange a message between us. Also, I would probably just glance at her or smile at her in a certain way to communicate with her, isn't it? At other times, we would be involved in doing our own thing. When it is our own body, our most intimate friend, why should it be any different? Wouldn't it actually take lesser effort to listen to the messages of such a close and intimate friend?